Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone camera won't focus. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issue from the forum. My camera won't focus. Objects within 10 centimeters are sharp, even when I move the phone, but if I move the phone further than 10 centimeters, they become blurry. The back cover of my phone broke a few months ago, but it has functioned perfectly fine in the intervening time. If anyone can tell me how to fix the Android phone camera not focusing issue, I'd be extremely grateful. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know if your Android phone camera has stopped focusing, don't panic. To save you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Dirty camera lens. The solution is to make sure the camera lens is clean. Your Android phone camera may not focus because the camera lens is dirty. Dust or foreign matter on the phone's camera lens can affect autofocus. Therefore, use a soft, dry, clean, lint-free cloth to clean the lens. Make sure there are no other foreign objects obstructing the lens. Cause 2. Camera malfunction. The solution is to restart the camera app. If the camera app stops focusing, you can also completely close it, restart it, and try again. This will completely restart the camera app on your Android phone. For simple camera issues, restarting the camera app can fix your Android phone camera not focusing. To do this, long press the camera app icon, then tap the icon in the top right corner. Then, you'll see a force stop option at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. Finally, restart the camera app and check again if the camera can focus properly. Cause 3. Camera cache malfunction. The solution is to clear the camera cache. The cell phone camera won't focus issue can also occur when the camera cache malfunctions. To resolve this issue, you can try clearing the camera cache. The camera cache ensures better camera performance, but when the cache becomes corrupted, problems can arise. To do this, follow these steps to clear the camera cache. Press and hold the camera app icon and tap the icon in the top right corner. On the camera details screen, scroll down and select Storage. Then, tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Finally, restart the camera app to see if the Android phone camera refuses to autofocus issue resolves. Cause 4. Camera software malfunction. The solution is to restart the phone. If your Android phone's camera has a software malfunction, it may affect the camera's ability to focus properly. The best way to resolve software issues is to restart your Android phone. Restarting can eliminate common software glitches. Some users have reported that restarting their phone resolves the issue of the camera failing to focus on Android phones. So, it's worth a try. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then, tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After the restart is complete, check again if the camera app is focusing properly. Cause 5. Unable to focus at close range. The solution is to enable macro mode. If the camera doesn't focus when you use the camera to get close to the subject, your Android phone may be experiencing macro shooting issues. Fortunately, most Android phones now have macro mode. If your Android phone is having trouble focusing at close range, you can enable macro mode. To enable macro mode, open the camera app and find the gear-shaped icon on the screen and tap it. You'll see macro mode on the screen. Check to see if it's enabled. If not, turn it on immediately. Now, whenever the camera app detects an object up close, it will automatically switch to macro mode and focus. Cause 6. Camera settings issue. The solution is to reset the camera app. If your Android phone's camera still can't focus, it might be a problem with the camera settings. Resetting the camera to default settings may fix the problem. This is very simple. Follow my steps to reset the camera app. Open the camera app and tap the gear icon on the screen. Scroll down and find the Reset Settings option. Finally, tap Reset Settings and confirm the reset. After the reset is complete, try using the camera again to see if it can focus properly. Cause 7. Camera hardware issue. The solution is to seek professional repair. If the issue persists after trying all the above solutions, it might be due to hardware damage or malfunction. In this case, take your phone to an official after-sales service center for further inspection to determine if it's a hardware issue. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix Android phone camera does not focus on the subject, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, Don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.